Good morning, class 1. Welcome back to your English class. So, how are you all, children? I really hope you all are fine, safe, and also study well in your home and you all complete your homework chapter 5 learning to recycle. Okay, children. So, today we will discuss the answers of chapter 5. So, this is our discussion class. Okay, everyone is ready? Very good. So, children, before we start, please make sure you have all the essential items with you. That means your notebook, your English, your English book, planner, and your pencil case. So, children, आई रियली होप आप सब लोगों ने अपना वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सो प्लीज मैच योर आंसर्स विद माय आंसर्स. ओके, एंड डोंट ओवर राइट इट, जस्ट मेक करेक्शंस एंड प्लीज don't copy the answers. Okay, so our today's aim is, today we will discuss chapter 5 homework answers, bonus question answers, and book exercise answers. Okay, children? So, let's start our class. So, first we will discuss 12th July 2021 answers. Okay? So, first we will discuss bonus question of 12th July. So, the question is, what is 3R? I give you 4 options and the correct answer is above all of these. So the children, there are 3 options. First is recycle, reuse, and reduce, and the fourth one is above all of these. So the correct answer is above all of these, because these 3 options are also correct also. Okay, so now we have our homework answers. Find the opposite of the following. So this is your book exercise and you have to write the opposite words in your book and notebook also. Okay, so the answer is big. Big का opposite होगा small. Find, start. Forward means आगे बढ़ना and backward means पीछे जाना. Old, it means new. Okay, old का opposite होगा new. So I really hope you all answered correctly. Very good. Now answer the questions. Children, you have to write the answers in your notebook. Okay, first you have to write the questions in your notebook, then write the answers. Okay, so please make sure you have already done this work. Okay, match your answer please. What is recycling? When we reuse something instead of throwing it away, it's called recycling. Okay, तो जब हम कोई चीज़ को दोबारा यूज़ करते हैं उसको फेंकने की बजाय, ओके, तो इसे हम रिसाइकलिंग कहते हैं. चिल्ड्रंस, आप लोगों में से कुछ लोगों के आंसर्स, कुछ लोगों के वर्ड्स अलग होंगे, सेंटेंसेस अलग होंगे, बट प्लीज़ राइट इट एज यू रिटन बिफोर. प्लीज़ डोंट ओवर राइट इट. ओके, and the second is, who was throwing wrappers all over the hall? पूरे हॉल में कौन रैपर्स फेंक रहा था? So the answer is, Pepper was throwing wrappers all over the hall. Okay, very good. Now we will discuss 13th July 2021's answer. Okay, so the bonus question of 13th July is, where does the dump truck take garbage for recycling? And the answer is factory. ड्रम ट्रक कहाँ पे गार्बेज को लेके जाते हैं रिसाइकिल के लिए? फैक्ट्री में लेके जाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, टुडेज वर्क. Who takes the garbage to factory for recycling? Yes. And children, most of the students answer in one word. So please make sure जब आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस में पूछा जाता है तो आप उसका आंसर सेंटेंस में दें, प्रॉपर सेंटेंस में. ओके, लाइक हु टेक्स द गार्बेज टू द फैक्ट्री फॉर रिसाइकलिंग, you can answer it like the dump truck takes the garbage to the factory for recycling. Okay, next, what is the use of wet dustbin? Wet dustbin का क्या use होता है? The wet dustbin is used for things like banana peels, tea leaves and eggshells. Okay, and now we have book exercise answers, and this exercise you have to do in your book only. Okay, just circle the word you find in your book, that's it. Okay, so the exercise is find the following words in the word grid below. आपको इस ग्रिड के अंदर जितने भी वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उन्हें आपको फाइंड करना है और उन्हें सर्कल कर देना है. ओके, लाइक हाईलाइट करना है, तो हाईलाइट करने के लिए आप उसे सर्कल कर सकते हो. So first word is peel and it was already highlighted, so we are moving ahead. The second word is clear. I really hope आप सब लोगों ने ये वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया है because it's a very interesting work. Okay, so we can find clear. Yes, next one banana, and here is banana. Next, hall. This is hall. Gift. Yes, we find it. And the last one is bag. Very good, children. And now we are moving ahead with 14th July 2021 answers. Okay, so we have bonus question of 14th July. So the question is, who has come home with many plastic shopping bags? कौन घर वापस आया था बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक शॉपिंग बैग्स को लेके? यस, सो द आंसर इज पेपर्स मदर. पेपर की जो मदर थी वो शॉपिंग करके बहुत सारे शॉपिंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स लेके घर वापस आई थी. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट, answer the questions, and you have to answer the questions in your notebook. As I told you before, first mention the question number, question, then answer it properly in full sentence. Okay, so the question is, what is backyard? So the area behind the house is called backyard. Next, who thinks the amazing ideas of recycling? Yes, people thinks the amazing ideas of recycling. Okay, पीपल ने जब फर्स्ट टाइम रिसाइकिल की कोई चीज़ तो उसके बाद उसके माइंड में बहुत सारे अमेजिंग आइडियाज़ आने लगे कि वो अब कैसे वेस्ट और अनयूजेबल थिंग्स को यूज़ करके कुछ अमेजिंग चीज़ बना सकता है, कुछ यूज़फुल चीज़ बना सकता है. ओके, सो आई रियली होप यू ऑल एंजॉय दिस चैप्टर ऑल्सो and also learn how to recycle things. Okay, next is, now we will discuss 15th July 2021 answers. So the first is bonus question of 15th July. Fill the blanks with correct options. Here I give you a sentence and you have to fill the correct option. So adjective is used to tell about. Children, adjective, what is adjective? Yes, adjective is a word that describes noun. So we can also say it is used to tell about noun. Okay, I really hope you all remember the definition of adjective and also definition of noun. So the work is you have to write the definition of एडजेक्टिव एंड आई होप आप सब लोगों ने ये वर्क कंप्लीट किया होगा. ओके एंड चिल्ड्रन वन थिंग, please don't write bonus questions in your notebook. It is for your bonus points, so you don't need to mention the bonus question in your notebook. Okay, just answer the homework questions in your notebook and book exercise answers. Very good. Next, underline the adjective in the sentences given below. So children, you have to underline the adjective in the given sentences. So the first sentence is Mr. Teller drives a red car. What is car? Car is a noun. And when we use adjective to describe and to qualify the noun, so car is red color. So the adjective is red. Next, the musician was playing soft music. Musician कैसा music play कर रहा था? Soft music. So the quality of music is soft. So the adjective is soft. Next, zebras have black and white strip on their bodies. तो जेब्रा के बॉडी में किस टाइप की स्ट्रिप्स होती हैं? ब्लैक एंड वाइट. सो द आंसर इज ब्लैक and white, both are adjective. So children, I'm really sorry I don't underline the black one also, so please make sure you have highlighted the black and white both. Okay, next, the beautiful bird was building a nest. तो bird कैसी है? Beautiful है. So the adjective is beautiful. Next, John was playing with a big ball. So ball is a noun and big is quality of ball. So it is, we can also say it is adjective. So I really hope you all enjoy this class and also match your answers. Don't cheat your answers. Just match your answers, tally your answers. Okay. So thank you so much children for listening me and watching video, and stay connected, work hard, study well. Okay. Thank you so much.